Atito is a community in Alakple that is in the Volta region. Look at the nature of the school block. Look at it. Their lagoon has extended, or the stretch of the lagoon in the Alakple and its surrounding has taken over the whole community and the school. As a result of this, none of the children are able to attend the school. They have been relocated to a different site. Atito or Alakple is known to be a farming or fishing community. As you can see, look at the road. It's just a small or a thin road dividing the whole community. Many buildings have been affected by the lagoon. So it's made so many people homeless. They have to relocate or move from their original homes to different locations. So as you can see, some of the fishermen, this is so terrible. In some few years ago, the lagoon hasn't stretched this far, or it has not extended this far. Only this time around, as you can see, even this place is known to be a tourist sector. It's also known to be a tourist zone or area. For the look of the lagoon alone, how lengthened, how stretched it is good for a tourist attractions. As you can see, many people left their homes because of the stretch of the lagoon. As you can see, and this seemed to be a burden on the whole community. Yes, in the Alakple, precisely Atito. Not just Atito, but the surrounding villages in the Alakple community. So as you can see, this is more than a say. This is more than a say. This is a building that some people are trying to, you see, they are from fishing. And this is a small girl because she couldn't go to school, so she needed some money, and she told herself to sit down and be begging people for money. It is better she goes for fishing. So whatever she gets, she sell it and get some money for a living. So the main fishes found in the lagoon are tilapia, crabs, as well as tilapia, crabs, and what have you. Yes, but mostly tilapias. tilapias. That is the most fishes they get from the lagoon. So the whole burden is how the lagoon is taking over the whole community. Alakple has many great men and women. Are they aware about all this?